everyone. I'm Dr. Shivani Chandan, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Aster RV Hospital, Bangalore. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is preconceptional counseling. The word preconceptional counseling literally means consulting us or a gynecologist before planning your pregnancy. And this is relevant for any couple who is planning their pregnancy. The goal of having a preconceptional consultation is to make sure that you're as healthy as possible before you embark on your pregnancy. So what happens during a preconceptional counseling is that we look at your history, we look at if you have any medical conditions that have been undiagnosed or misdiagnosed and treat it accordingly before you get pregnant. For example, sometimes you may not even know that you're suffering from anemia, wherein your hemoglobin is low, or you may be borderline diabetic. So these kind of things can be made out through certain blood tests. Even thyroid disorders may not necessarily present with any symptoms. So during your counseling, we get certain blood tests done so that we know that everything is optimal before you conceive. Apart from this, some of you may already have certain medical conditions such as high BP or diabetes. This is a good time for you to change your medications because certain medications are not safe during pregnancy. Certain antihypertensives, anticonvulsants and certain blood thinning drugs need to be changed before you conceive so that it is safe for the developing baby. Sometimes we also look at your genetic history. If any of your family members or you are a carrier of any genetic conditions, for example, sickle cell anemia. So these kind of conditions, if you are a carrier, then we look at your spouse and we look at what is the chance that the offspring can have the same condition and what you can do about it. Apart from this, there is a very, very important component to preconceptional counseling, that is to start you on a tablet called folic acid. This is a multivitamin that is very, very important to be started at least 3 months prior to planning your pregnancy. The dose of this tablet depends upon certain risk factors. So if you have any high risk factors, then we start you on a 5 mg tablet, or if you do not have these risk factors, then even a 1 mg tablet will do. But it is very important that you take it at least for 3 months prior to conception, because by the time your pregnancy test comes positive, the implantation has already taken place and the development of the nervous system has already started. And folic acid is very important for both of these things. Along with this, we also check for your immunization. Is it up to date? Have you been vaccinated against conditions such as rubella and hepatitis B? And if you have not been vaccinated, then we make sure that these injections are given to you and you have a certain window period and then plan your pregnancy. Because of all these above factors, it's very, very important that every couple comes to us for a preconceptional counseling at least 6 months to 1 year prior to planning your pregnancy so that you have better outcomes.